Hello, my name is Jessie and welcome to AI Phone Repairs. So AI Phone Repairs is currently the leading company in Ghana when it comes to electronic device repairs. From cracked screens, sound issues, battery replacement, to more advanced faults, we fix them all. Whether it is YAM or Android or iPhone, we repair all mobile phone brands. Now, aside from mobile phones, we also repair computers and laptops, iPads, tablets, and game consoles. Now, imagine paying for the services of a repairer, then after a few days, your phone begins malfunctioning again. Of course, we know how frustrating it can get. That's why at AI Phone Repairs, we only use genuine parts from original manufacturers to undertake repairs. In addition, all our repair technicians are professionally trained and certified. With our limited lifetime warranty, you can rest assured that if anything goes wrong with the repair, we will take care of it again at no extra cost to you. Terms and conditions applied. We also sell budget phones and all smartphone accessories. Now here's how to order our services. So to order repair services, visit our website aiphonerepairs.com. From there, you can place an order or chat with one of our tech support personnel. We will then arrange to pick up your phone or device from your location to our office for diagnosis and repair. Now kindly note that we can only determine the cost of the repair after the diagnosis. So our mobile phone screen replacement service. This is another thing that we offer. Has the screen of your smartphone cracked, gone blank, or malfunctioning? Bring it to AI Phone Repairs to get it fixed. We use genuine screens from original phone manufacturers, and our screen replacement service is the most affordable in Ghana. Whether it is iPhone, Samsung, Techno, we offer screen replacement services for all mobile phone brands. Our screen replacements are also covered by our limited lifetime warranty. Again, visit aiphonerepairs.com to order your services now. The link is in the description below. Now, does AI Phone Repairs employ artificial intelligence in the phone repair process? No, we do not directly involve artificial intelligence in the repair process. However, we're working on an AI module that would enable our prospective customers to diagnose issues with their smartphones before they order our services. So, we also offer our smartphone battery replacement service. Now, phone battery replacement can resolve the majority of power issues, including your battery health, your charging speed, and the overall lifespan. And we offer fast mobile phone battery replacement services for all smartphones, including Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Huawei, Techno, iPhones, and more. When your battery is compromised, common faults may include the battery draining really quickly, pouring off when you connect to the internet, or dropping at a certain capacity percentage. But if you visit aiphonerepairs.com to order your services now, we can help you with that. We also offer our mobile phone unlocking services. You're able to unlock your phone to accept any SIM card worldwide. Bypass the passcode, remove the Google account, or unlock the Apple iCloud or iTunes account. All you have to do is visit aiphonerepairs.com to unlock your phone now.